Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, Brevo versus Mailerlite comparison. Well, I don't really know if you could call this a competition, but each has their unique functions. So, for example, on Brevo, um, I'm going to do a little commentary about this one right here. It's actually sort of like a lot more interactive compared to the Mailerlite, basically. So, it's sort of like interactive as well, and sort of like a template texture, basically. So, like Mailerlite, you could just basically have email, SMS, WhatsApp, web push, Facebook ads. But on Mailerlite, just take a look at this. I don't know. It basically all boils down to preferences, because Mailerlite is sort of like a professional type thing. It has a professional type feel compared to Brevo, but I'll show you what I mean. Just look at it here. Create your first landing page. It's sort of like jargoned out into these basically charts, compared to Brevo, where they have illustrative, sort of like art, so to say. So let's just wait for it to load here. As you can see, it's direct to the point. Mailerlite is basically a lot more direct to the point and a lot more professional looking, whereas Brevo is a lot more interactive, and sort of like a template texture as well. They have templates. You could create templates via this one. So I don't know. It all boils down to preferences. Okay. So, but if you're asking me, if you're a newbie on email editing, just basically use Brevo for the sake of its easy traversable aspect. So that's just it.